Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings immediately. Don't pause on background details. First, sign in so the system can fetch your profile data. Once signed in, make sure your app is updated and your device is online. Updates often expose profile options. Then tap the settings icon. It may be a gear, a 3-line menu, or under your avatar. As you enter settings, watch for profile or account entry. That is the doorway to the profile tools you need. Once inside the profile section, you will see editable fields and buttons. Tap Edit or Manage to begin. You should change visible items like name, photo, and bio first because they appear across the service. Use recommended sizes and supported formats to avoid upload errors. Next, review privacy and visibility toggles so you control who sees what. Finally, check linked accounts and contact email. Once you finish edits, save changes and allow a few seconds for sync so your profile updates everywhere. You finish by saving changes and confirming they propagate. Look for a confirmation message or updated timestamp. If the photo or data doesn't update, retry once with a smaller image and then clear the app cache or toggled network connection. These steps resolve most sync glitches. If problems continue, document error messages and contact support through the in-app help or status page. That gives you evidence and speeds resolution while you wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.